Guys, welcome back after that short advert break. Let us now quickly wrap up today's lesson. As I've indicated, the focus of our lesson today was the body mass index, right? In short, we refer to it as the BMI. Okay, so we've indicated that the BMI, the body mass index, is a measure that uses your height and your weight, or mass for that matter, to work out if your weight is healthy. All right? We also indicated that the BMI can be used to classify a person's weight status, either as underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese, based on the BMI classification table. And remember, you don't have to study this. Should there be a question in your test or exam, this will be provided to you. Then, here's our BMI classification table. We said that based on this table here, a BMI less than 18.5 will be classified as underweight, right? Equals to or less than or more than 18.5 and less than 25 will be classified as normal. Anything equals to or more than 25 but less than 30 will be classified as overweight. And then anything equals to or more than 30, right, the BMI will be classified as obese. Okay, so we also then indicated in order for us to calculate body mass index, we take our mass in kilograms divided by our height in meters squared. All right, now let's look at some common errors, right, or things that I would like you to avoid or to remember for that matter. I indicated here that ensure that you work with the correct BMI formula. Okay, it's quite simple to mix things up, but make sure you work with the correct BMI formula. Then also make sure that you interpret the BMI classification table correctly. Okay? Then familiarize yourself with growth chart before attempting the question. All right, like I've indicated, we have our BMI there, we have our age, we have the percentile. So it's very important that you know exactly how to interpret it, to familiarize yourself with it first before you start answering any question. Then I firmly believe in this one. Read question. Remember mathematical literacy. That literacy part is so important. Read the question and the instruction with due diligence. Right? Make sure you understand exactly what the question is all about and what is required of you to do to answer that specific question. Then changing the subject of the BMI formula. Guys, very important, right? Not only with this topic, but you'll come across this specific skill that you must have to change the subject of the formula, okay? And it may sometimes be required, and please be mindful of this, okay? Now, guys, before I say goodbye, let me quickly leave you with a challenge for this upcoming week. So here I've indicated that Emma weighs 65 kilograms and has a BMI of 23.4 kilograms per square meters, right? So what is that you need to do? You need to determine the length, her length in meters, right? And then I also indicated here that you may use the formula BMI equals mass in kilograms divided by your height in meters squared. Guys, at this point in time, I would like to thank you for joining us today. Hope to see you next time. Remember to work every day and stay safe. Goodbye.